What's up, guys? Welcome to React with Paul. Today we are going to be reacting to Can 50,000 Magnets Catch a Cannonball by MrBeast. So let's get into it.
Today we're gonna test multiple different ways to stop a cannon. We're gonna try magnets, Legos, a bulletproof vest, a mannequin. We put some baseballs in the cannon, and we put some gloves on the people. Need I say more? Do you think this is the first time a baseball has ever been fired from a cannon? Can't be. Hey Chandler, what's that?
Ooh.
Whoa.
That's cool. Damn. It ripped them apart.
The legs are standing.
Did the glove catch it?
No way. I very much doubt.
Did the gloves broke? Did it go through the glove?
Kind of broke.
Dude.
Wow.
Wow.
Oh wow. Oh, there it is.
Wait.
Oh, there it is.
Oh my goodness.
It's still
Word.
perfect. Hold on, let's see.
That is,
Is that what it smells like, popcorn?
Terrible.
Is that what popcorn?
ooh, man, that smells bad. Smell it.
This is legit real bulletproof glass. I'm actually curious if it'll stop this cannon.
You don't think that the bulletproof glass can take a cannonball,
No, it's a cannon.
but you think so.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's
it stopped it.
It's right there, Tree. Whoa, the ball.
Damn.
Yo, the bulletproof glass beat the cannonball. Dude,
Damn,
beat the
that's crazy.
So I'm confused. Why didn't Blackbeard just have bulletproof glass?
I know, right?
Easy.
We're watching the slow-mo, guys.
What?
Oh my god. That makes you like jump. It's
I
coming
know.
right at you.
I love it.
Bulletproof glass can stop a cannon, but can a bulletproof vest? Let's say you become a cop.
I don't know.
The guy robs a convenience store and he comes out with a cannon. Is your vest going to protect you? I will answer that. Well, by me, I mean Brandon.
I'm just here for the ride.
We will answer it together because we're a power couple.
All right, let's go.
Whoa.
Wow.
Yeah, I don't think he made it. Bro,
How many?
Oh my gosh, look! We
he
got it!
totally annihilated it.
Look at this beauty.
If you had a chest made out of steel, you'd be fine.
It's a cardinal feather.
That's a leaf.
The state bird.
That's a leaf.
That's the state leaf.
You know, they only come around once a year.
Eat it and I'll give you $1,000.
What'd you say?
Never mind.
Guys, we're going hot.
We're going hot. I'm ready.
You ready? Whoa, you are ready.
Hey Chandler, high five. High five. When's...
Oh, you missed it. Oh, wow.
Oh my god.
Oh, that was beautiful.
Good thing we got
Oh,
all
that's
this
beautiful.
biodegradable confetti.
This right here is Manny, and he's very self-conscious of the fact that he can't grow hair. Baldy. It makes him Chandler.
Don't talk about him. He said he's self-conscious.
Stop being a bully. So to make him feel better, we're gonna take this wig, we're gonna cram it in the cannon, and then we're gonna put a lot of
Wow.
that black powder stuff, and then we're gonna shoot it at his head, and hopefully that allows him to feel more confident in his own skin.
You look like the dude off of iRobot, honestly. You know Will Smith?
Well, 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 boys, we meet again. Going hot!
Oh, going hot, guys, going hot.
Oh.
All right, let's do it.
Oh my god.
Wow. Boom. That was a wig.
I did not expect that to happen.
Oh man.
Look at that.
He's just got an eye left.
Oh, where's that GoPro though? Oh, it's still working.
No way.
Yes.
Damn.
Hit it with the cannon. This is for all you people who ever lost money to a vending. I got revenge.
Nice.
Perfect. Guys, if a vending machine ever steals money from you, hit it with the cannonball.
It's one way to do it. Damn.
Your vending machine didn't work. I accidentally broke it. I'm gonna clean it up and take care of it, okay?
You sure?
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
It's not starting. Blow it up as well.
man just want to blow everything up today, bro. He's like, it ain't working, blow it up.
All right, boys. We're show this car who's boss.
Go, run.
Oh man, they got 3 cannons on it. Holy crap. Damn. No mercy. Yo,
Yeah, that was pretty dope.
low key, I feel bad for that car.
I got one more. I got one more. One more.
That's way too much.
Way too much. Whose cannon made the most amount of damage?
Mine.
Cannon, is this your cannon? You really yeeted the yeet cannon.
Dude, mine went all the way through it.
My cannonball is right here, bro.
That's your cannonball?
Yeah.
They didn't even make it.
Damn.
Oh my gosh. You can't even get in this passenger door. Look at this.
That's dope.
They really can't stop bullets.
You got an exit wound.
Damn, it went literally right
It's
through it.
literally-
Look, you can see right there where it went through.
Okay, Jimmy. Okay, let me get a high.
Wow.
Okay, Jimmy.
Now we're gonna see if a
Damn.
Lego wall can stop a cannonball.
Let's do this. Cannon guys ready.
You just fire cannons and look hot.
Yeah. Just take your shirt off.
Yeah,
why don't you?
Lego's gonna go. Yeah, no. This guy.
Oh my god, y'all can see the actual ball on this.
There it is.
Damn.
Right in the GoPro.
It just clipped the top. Just clipped it.
Very nice.
That's gonna look good on the GoPro. Or not. We'll see right here.
I've been struggling with cell phone service, so we're gonna see if shooting it at a wall out of a cannon fixes that.
Oh my
Cannon,
god.
sexy boy. Oh, good timing.
Did it go over? Wow. No, it didn't. It just annihilated it.
It's literally in there.
Are you serious?
It didn't even go nowhere.
I bet it still works.
I'm scared.
Hot?
Hey,
Key to be unburnt.
hey, Dad. Oh, thanks. It works now. Thanks, guys. This is a fridge. This is a cannon. This is alphabet, numbers, and letters.
Alphabet numbers.
Oh
and
my
letters.
god,
Alphabet
dude.
Letters. This is very special to me.
What if it smells something on the fridge?
Damn.
It burned a O.
Huh?
No, A. What?
Hey, the A.
E.
Damn.
Look at E.
Guys, if your alphabet magnets aren't working, just shoot them with the cannon. Here's the new game plan. This is a cannon. It's about this wide. That wide fits right there. So we're gonna slide that cannon. in here. Will it work right?
Yeah, right.
What?
Come on.
We need a third.
Is that really gonna even work?
We need a third. We need... You got it.
What is this, Chandler?
Bro, this guy.
A cannon.
And what is it inside of?
A cannon.
We have no idea what's gonna happen. Like, this literally might explode.
Yeah,
Probably will explode.
might.
So we should back away, like
Yeah.
a lot away.
This is so dangerous that we're actually sitting in a U-Haul and watching it through these mirrors.
All right, that's our front row seat viewers.
Oh wow, fuse is lit.
We can't find the cannon.
Oh man.
Oh my goodness.
The cannon like disappeared. Oh,
You've got to be kidding me.
All the way over here.
How many yards do y'all think that is?
at least 3.
3
I
yards.
think it was 3 plus 25.
20. So 20.
Dude, that is the cannon right here. And that's where we shot it out.
God.
We have 50,000 magnets, a watermelon, and a cannon. So yeah, we're gonna see
This is what we've been waiting to watch.
if these 50,000 magnets can catch a cannonball midair. So here's Big Chungus, and this is a 40-pound cannonball. I'm scared. I don't want to.
All right, guys, put in the comments below if you think the 50,000 magnets would catch a cannonball. Let's go and watch it.
Chandler? Yeah, he's already broken half the stuff. Oh god.
Let's see the results.
ready.
All right, it's good. Fire it.
I'm excited. I like cannons.
We're about to shoot the cannon.
Ah, I don't know. I think it's gonna catch it. I think it is gonna catch the cannonball. Let's see if I'm right.
It's fitting to bust.
Dude, Tariq's so scared right now. Look at Tariq.
Why am I doing this? Oh boy, I'm terrified.
I'm scared. Oh man,
Did we hit it?
it did not stop it.
Wow, it didn't stop it.
The watermelon and the magnets couldn't stop it?
What?
Let's get a closer look. Did you like having a cannon ram through you?
Oh
The 50,000 magnets didn't catch it out of the cannon, so maybe if I throw it slower, it will.
It got 1, 2.
Oh, Jesus.
Chandler, your turn.
No,
Yes.
not happening.
No holding back.
Use more than 1% of your power.
2%.
Man, you left an actual dent. Don't underestimate dumb strength.
See that?
Logan Paul at me.
What is it?
Damn.
Dent, yours didn't.
That was it. All right, guys. Well, that was the end of the video. I was totally dead wrong about the magnet catching the ball, the cannonball. I thought it was. I really did think it was, but hey, you're not always right. But I did enjoy the video. It was really good. It made me laugh a lot. MrBeast, you did it again. You made me laugh. I hope you guys enjoyed my reaction to this video. If you did, you already know what to do. Hit the subscribe button, like this video, and also put a comment down below what you thought about this video. All right, well, until next time, later, guys.